So in today's video, I'll be making an easy pressure cooker potato green peas curry, which is best to save time, yet it turns out super delicious, can be made specially in the breakfast times when we are in a hurry, and goes very well with paratha, puri. And we could also enjoy this with rice. Try this super yummy and super tasty recipe in pressure cooker. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you're new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this yummy and super quick recipe. For that, I'll be using a pressure cooker. 4 tablespoons of mustard oil I'll heat, and to this I'll add some few whole dry spices, 1 inch of cinnamon, cardamom 2, cloves 2, and stone flour. It adds very nice flavor, and 2 bay leaves I've added. Saute for just 30 seconds on medium flame, and then to this I'll add 2 medium sized onion that is finely chopped, some salt, and 1 to 2 green chilies finely chopped. Sauteing green chilies with onion will give a very nice flavor, and because we are making in pressure cooker, taste should not be compromised, and that's the trick of my recipe. So I'll saute this onions till they turn nice golden brown. You can see on medium high flame it will take around 6 to 7 minutes, and once these onions are done nicely with the green chilies, to this I'll add half a cup of water just to reduce the temperature, and some dry spices, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder for color 1 teaspoon, some cumin powder around 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Basically, as we had added water and this Kashmiri red chili powder, that will be nicely roasted, and a nice spice base will be prepared. It will take just around 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame, and once this spice base is roasted, it has absorbed all the water. I'll add ginger garlic paste, half inch of ginger and garlic 8 to 10 cloves. I have made a paste adding some water. Roast this ginger garlic paste with this onions in medium high flame for around 5 to 6 minutes till it releases nice aroma. Basically, you can see after 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame, the oil will release from side, so it's very important to cook this spice paste. You can also add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of water if it sticks to the bottom, and as I said, we are making it in a very rustic way, especially in those times, in breakfast times, or sometimes when we want to cook something quick yet tasty, this for that time. So we are not compromising on the taste, so few tips and tricks, they work really wonders. As I have added some chopped green coriander leaves in the spice paste that will enhance the flavor, and here I have taken 500 grams of potatoes peeled and cubed, medium size I have cubed them. So once this spice paste is roasted, you can see it has released oil. I have added these potatoes, and now increase the flame and roast these potatoes in the spice paste for just 1 minute. That's it. We don't need to roast it for more time, for just 1 minute. And then tomatoes, I have taken 4 medium size. I have quartered them. This goes here in these potatoes. Give it a mix. Salt I'll add as per taste, and to this roasting is done. To this I'll add water around 1.5 glass. That's it, because tomatoes will release their moisture. Give it a mix, add water, and then I need to cover the lid, and in medium flame I need just one whistle. That's it. When the whistle comes, switch off the flame, wait till it naturally recedes. So I'll close the lid here, and in medium flame one whistle I'll wait. The trick of any pressure cooker curry is that the pressure, it works wonders. So it's very important to adjust the moisture according to the pressure level. So that's it. In medium flame one whistle I have waited for around 7 to 8 minutes, and you can see there is absolutely no pressure. And now I'll just open this lid, and the tomatoes should have been nicely cooked, and the potatoes too. And now switch on the flame, and I'll just show you, the color is so beautiful because of Kashmiri red chili powder, and the potatoes are still intact, yet they are perfectly done. This is the trick here, and Sue's Food Corner special trick is here that green peas we need to add at this stage. Had we have been added the green peas earlier, the color would have been drastically changed, and I really don't like my green peas color to be discolored. So just mash the potatoes using a spatula, and in high flame add 1 cup of fresh green peas. Give it a mix. You can adjust salt at this stage, and the water level is just perfect, because gradually when it cools down it will thicken more. And now the trick part is here is that I'll cover it, I have actually adjusted some salt, some more chopped green coriander goes in. Now I'll cover the lid but without the cooker whistle, that I'll remove, and just on medium flame cover the lid and keep it simmering for around 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. You can see here I have removed the cover, and 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame is perfect to cook the green peas, yet they will retain the beautiful color. So after 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame, the curry has automatically thickened because we have kept it simmering. Green peas are perfectly cooked, yet they have retained the color, and you can see how beautiful this curry has turned out. As I said, gradually it will thicken, and you can also adjust water level according to the dish you are making. You can also increase or decrease the water level, but it's semi thick, it's perfectly done. It's not runny, and also it's not too thick. So it's perfectly done, and it's time to serve my 15 minutes pressure cooker potato and green peas curry. And as I said, this is perfect for those hurry times when you need to cook something really quick. And this is the answer. Try this out. I have served them with some ginger juliennes. I just love the flavors, and yes, I don't like my green peas discolored. So that's the perfect answer. Try this out and let me know how it turned out. And today's comment of the day is simple and best. That's from Manisha Michael. She writes, the best gajar halwa recipe ever I have seen. Thank you so much for such beautiful, simple and lovely comment. I just loved your words and touched my heart. Thank you for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. And today's recipe, that's 15 minutes pressure cooker potato peas curry. Do try this out. You'll love the flavors, love the consistency. You can also follow Source Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.